Have you ever been in a conversation and your brain just completely shuts down? It's the worst. Well, in this video, we are going to destroy that awkward feeling with 1,000 essential sentences. 1,000! You'll listen, you'll repeat, and you'll see every single phrase in a fast, real-life dialogue. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk to anyone. Are you ready for this challenge? Let's do this. Section 1. Greetings and first meetings. All right, first up, greetings. These are the first words you say, so we have to get them right. I'm going to say a sentence, you repeat it, and then we'll see it in a crazy real-life dialogue. Let's go. Hello. Hello. I don't think we've met. Hello. No, we haven't. I'm Sarah. Hi there. Hi there. Are you enjoying the party? I am. It's a great event. How are you? Good morning, Mark. How are you? I'm doing well, thanks. And you? How's it going? Hey, Alex. How's it going? Pretty good. Just grabbing some coffee. What's up? What's up? Not much. Just heading to class. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, thank you. Ready for the day. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can I help you with anything? No, thank you. I'm just browsing. Good evening. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Yes, it's under the name Smith. It's nice to meet you. I'm David. It's nice to meet you. You too, David. I'm Emily. It's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Professor Jones. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. My name is... Hi, my name is Chris. I'm the new intern. Welcome, Chris. I'm Maria. I'm Jessica. I work in the marketing department. Nice to meet you, Jessica. I'm Tom. What's your name? I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name. It's Ben. What's your name? How do you know... This is a great party. How do you know the host? We went to college together. I don't think we've met before. Excuse me, I don't think we've met before. I'm Anna. Hi, Anna. I'm Mike. It's nice to meet you. Long time no see. Sarah. Wow, long time no see. I know, it's been years. How have you been? How have you been? It's so good to see you. How have you been? I've been great. Very busy with work. What have you been up to? Hey, I haven't seen you in ages. What have you been up to? Or party. Parties are literally made for meeting new people. These next phrases are your secret weapon to break the ice and start talking to anyone in the room. Are you enjoying yourself? Hi there. Are you enjoying yourself? Yes, very much. The music is great. So, how do you know the host? So, how do you know Sarah? We work together. How about you? What a great party! What a great party! The decorations are incredible. I agree. They did an amazing job. Have you tried the snacks? Have you tried the little cheese puffs? Not yet, but they look good. Are they? I love your outfit. I love your dress. Can I ask where you got it? Thank you. I found it at a little boutique downtown. This is a really nice place. This is a really nice place. The view is amazing. It really is. I've never been here before. I don't know many people here. I'm feeling a little out of place. I don't know many people here. Well, you know me now. I'm David. What brings you here? So, what brings you to a tech conference? I'm here to learn about the latest trends in AI. It's getting crowded in here. It's getting crowded in here. It is. Let's step outside for some fresh air. The music is a little loud, isn't it? Just a bit. It's hard to have a conversation. Have we met before? You look familiar. Excuse me, have we met before? You look really familiar. I don't think so. I have one of those faces. I'm just here with a friend. Are you part of the book club? No, I'm just here with a friend who is. Are you from around here? Are you from around here? No, I'm just visiting from Australia. Whoa, quick pause. If your brain is getting huge with all this knowledge, smash that like button and subscribe right now. It literally costs you nothing, and it tells us to make more insane videos like this. Okay, back to the challenge. Section 6, talking about hobbies and interests. This is how you turn boring small talk into a real friendship. Finding something you both love to do is a game changer. Here's how you find out what makes people tick. What do you do for fun? So, what do you do for fun when you're not working? I like to go hiking on the weekends. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? I play the guitar. It's a great way to relax. I like to read and paint in my free time. That sounds lovely and creative. What kind of music are you into? What kind of music are you into? I listen to a little bit of everything, but I mostly like rock. Have you read any good books lately? I'm looking for a new book. Have you read anything good lately? Yes, I just finished a fantastic mystery novel. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? I play tennis on occasion. How about you? I'm a big fan of old black and white movies. Really? Me too. They have so much charm. What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? I usually try to get out of the city and enjoy nature. That sounds interesting. I've recently started learning how to code. That sounds interesting. Is it difficult? How did you get into that? I spend most of my weekends rock climbing. Wow! How did you get into that? I'm not very sporty. Do you want to join our company soccer team? Thanks for the offer, but I'm not very sporty. I prefer to stay indoors. It's a beautiful day to be outside. I know, but I'm more of a homebody. I prefer to stay indoors.
7. Discussing TV shows, movies, and books. This is another huge topic. Almost everyone watches movies, listens to music, or reads books. You can't go wrong with these phrases.